everyone! Today I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get my nails done in Korea.
We are heading to Incheon for my appointment with Taelim, a Korean nail artist I've been following on Instagram. I love her work. She creates the cutest nail art designs, and I especially love her 3D designs. Taelim is a home-based nail artist and has been doing nails for the last 10 years. When I arrived at her place, I felt like I was in nail heaven. She had every color of gel polish you could imagine. The choices were endless. After fangirling over her extensive nail collection, we started on my nails. I said goodbye to what my Vietnamese mum would call music note nails, as Taelim removed my gel with her electric file. She then soaked the remaining gel in remover. And after a few minutes, she scrapes off the softened gel and proceeds to shape my nails. I asked her to shorten my nails and shape them in a round shape. Next, she pushed back my cuticles with a drill bit. And softened the skin with a cuticle remover. After that, she carefully cut my cuticles with her nippers. I was very impressed with how fast she worked, and her prep work was very thorough. Taelim cleaned my nails with alcohol and then proceeded to paint on the base coat. Now, when I usually do my nails, I only paint one layer of base coat, but Taelim actually does two. She explained that this makes the nails last longer, and the color she applies on top later on goes on a lot smoother. So there you go, guys, that's a little pro tip for you. After the base, she paints on a light nude color on all my nails. Okay, for the nail design today, I let Taelim do whatever she wanted. After all, I'm a big fan of her work and all her designs are amazing. She ended up choosing this cute pink rabbit design that's 3D. How cute does this look? I can't wait to see how she does it. So first she paints the pink on first. This is a see-through type gel, so she paints on 2 coats. Oh, I should also mention that I am curing this as she is using gel, so it goes under the lamp for about 30 seconds. Next, she gets started with the nail art. This white part she's painting here is going to be the frosting. And these two little dots are going to turn into cherries. For the middle finger, Taylin is freehanding a heart shape. She's going to make this 3D later on. On my ring finger, she's painting a semicircle, which will later be the bunny bum. And then she's adding a couple of dots on top for the cherries. Now she's going to work on the green stems. How cute do the cherries look? It's all about the fine details, guys. Now this gel here she's using is a sparkly glitter, so she's adding a layer of that on top. Now she's painting on a layer of clear. For the 3D nail art, she's actually using a thick gel in a tube like this, and she's squeezing out a small blob, which she shapes with her brush into a little round ball, and this is the rabbit's tail. How cute is it? So once this gel is cured, it becomes rock solid. It's very hard. On my thumb, she's going to create the rabbit's head. Followed by the 2 ears. Now to make the rabbit come to life, Taylin is painting on the details, like the pink part of the ear, and of course the face. I'm not gonna lie, I squealed like a little girl after I saw the bunny. Like, come on, it's so freaking cute. She even painted on blush. It's so cute, guys. I just can't. Okay, back to my middle finger. She's layering clear gel over the heart to build it up and make it look 3D. To seal everything in, she's going to do a final layer of top coat. And then she finished off with cuticle oil and a light file to make sure there's no rough edges. Ta-da! These are the cutest nails I've ever gotten, guys. Like, seriously, I am in love with this. I cannot stop staring at my hands. It's not every day that you get little bunny heads and bunny bums on your hands. After all, it is the year of the rabbit, so I am very on trend. Now, all up, this took about 2.5 hours, including removal, and it cost me 150,000 won, which is equivalent to 115 USD. Initially, I thought this was a little bit pricey. However, after seeing the amount of effort and skill required, I think it was well worth it. After all, I don't really see a lot of nail artists doing 3D designs, and especially ones that are cute like these. What do you guys think of the design? I hope you guys have enjoyed this fun video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post. And I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Ba-dum-bum.